siya the first day of Victor's Vegas, miss?
Paying lunch po.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So, ang Plaza Premium Lounge, miss, is paying to sila? Ah, okay. So, Mabuhay Lounge or Plaza Lounge.
Ay, bukas po sila.
Good evening and thank you for waiting. Philippine Airlines Flight Year 2823 bound for Davao is now ready to accept passengers for boarding for gate number 12. Once again, Philippine Airlines Flight Year 2823 bound for Davao is now ready to accept passengers for bus boarding for gate number 12. Please have your boarding pass and valid ID ready for presentation at the gate upon boarding. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Final call for boarding for the last remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines Flight Year 2819 bound for Davao. The call signal gate number 10 and bound for Davao. The call signal gate number 10 for immediate boarding. This is your last and final call. All over please.